As you know very well that this is Saturday, and on every Saturday we have a speaking session. And in this session, you are given a topic for speaking. But as we have two batches, one is much advanced. So for them means for the batch B20, you have to speak about electricity as much as you can. Okay, and for B23, you have to speak about your state, that is Rajasthan. You must be aware about your state. So I think topics are clear to you, and I would like you to have your names on the message box. And I have got some names like Harsh and Anuj. So come on, Harsh. और कल तो तुम आए ही नहीं, आधा घंटे के लिए गए थे, पार ही हो गए पूरे टाइम के लिए। हैं? कोई बात नहीं है, आ जाओ। यस, कम ऑन हर्ष। बाकी के लोग ध्यान से सुनेंगे, अपना अपना नहीं सोचेंगे। कम ऑन। हम्म। योर वॉइस इज नॉट ओके, मेक इट लाउडर so that we can listen to you.
सर आप ठीक है?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Sharad. Today I'm going to tell you about electricity. So, as you all know that we all are living in the age of science, where all the equipments that are given to us by science run from electricity. And electricity not only helps us in doing our work, but it also makes our life easier, because all the works which are very important nowadays, like we for making our home work easier, we have many electrical appliances, and in the past years, when there was no electricity, people used to um, fire woods for
Hmm.
light in the night, and used to use hand fans, for hand pankhas for wind. But nowadays we have ACs, coolers, fans, and light and many types of light, which gives us a brightness to live our life in the dark also. And this is a very big achievement in the field of science, that we have developed a thing which helps us to make our life easier, along with all the works which we do daily. And the most favorable equipment that we use, and they run by electricity, are fridges, mobile, and or daily electronical items. And without them nowadays, life becomes very hard. If we quit using electricity for even a day, then the whole economy of the world will shut, because all the important things and works are done by electricity only. And nowadays, a very new thing is flourishing, that is AI. And for AI also we need electricity,
Hmm.
because all the servers, data that we download, they require electricity.
Hmm.
The Wi-Fi we use, the mobile data we use, the phones which we use for calling, all the things run from electricity. And now we have talked about electricity, and now we should also know how to make electricity. There are many ways by which we can make electricity, but the two most affordable things are hydro power plants, which are planted in the oceans, or under the waterfalls, which helps in the generation of electricity. And seconds are windmill and solar panels, and they continuously run from heat and wind,
सब लोग अपने
and
कैमरे चालू
create
कर लेंगे, सब टोटल।
and
कैमरा किसी को
create a
ऑफ नहीं
large
रहेगा, बिल्कुल कैमरे चालू कर लो सब अपने अपने।
and
हम्म।
create a large amount of electricity, which is very helpful to us. And if you know that if we cover the 1 upon 50 part of a Sahara desert from a solar panels, then it can
Very good.
create that much light energy
Hmm.
that will be enough for the uses of all the electronic items of Europe.
Hmm.
But there is a very big mistake, very big consequence that we have to face if we do something like this, like covering any desert in the power plants. It is that it will cost a lot of money because for their surveillance and for cleaning them up, that
Very good. Yeah. Very nice. Hmm.
no for cleaning them up, we will require a amount of a high amount of labor because there are very strong winds and storms in the desert, which will cover the surface of the power plant, surface of the power plants, and will cost a lot of money. And if we and at the last, I want to say that if you want to make your life easier and for you and for future generation, you should save electricity. That's
Hmm.
it.
Very good. Yeah. Nice flow. Nice vocabulary. Shabash. Very good. Now, Anuj. I think Anuj. Yes. Yes, Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Abu and today the topic is electricity. So, as we all are familiar with electricity, what is it? What it is?
Hmm.
Because from morning to evening, we keep using electricity in any how.
Hmm.
Because so, I would like to introduce you with the electricity first. So, uh, electricity is electricity is generating any energy at once and using it separately or however.
Hmm.
So there are two types of electricity that we all have listened or which are AC alternating current or DC
Very good.
direct current.
Very good.
So in our homes we get AC, that is alternating current, because if we got DC in our homes, we may destroy ourselves, because DC is converted into AC.
No, 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 no,
Uh,
no, no, no. You are wrong. AC is converted into DC.
DC.
Yes.
So AC
AC
converted
this,
into,
AC this.
yes
Alternative,
sir.
alternative.
Yes sir.
तभी तो झटका लगता है. And DC this.
Mm, yes, sir.
Okay. Carry on.
So these are the types, and there is there is no one that says that I can live without electricity. It
Hmm.
is possible, but it needs or it demands an environment.
Very good.
Like
Shabash.
in today's in our cities,
Hmm.
there is no such environment that can be that can be considered as that it it doesn't need any electricity.
Good.
So whenever we call electricity, as far as we remember, we call light, like whenever it reminds us electricity, we remain light, because the when the electricity came first, it was only about light, like spreading some light so human can also do uh, the work in night time also.
Hmm.
So electricity is not something that can be invented, that could be invented or discovered. It was, but it was performed by. It was like it was came into.
Ah,
Uh,
it came, was came. क्या कर रहे हो?
means it. Sorry, sir. So. Uh, the father of electricity is always called Michael Faraday, because I think he made the batteries and stored energies first.
Hmm.
So electricity is something that can never be forgotten, and it's a boon for us. That's it.
Very good. Shabash. Shabash. बहुत अच्छा अनुज. Very good. Yes, come on, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi. Today, I'm providing the few lines about electricity. You know that electricity is very important for us, for human beings, because you can see our home appliances run through the electricity, and if there is no electricity, we can't survive. And you
शाबाश
know
बेटा.
the
Very good. अच्छा
other
परफॉर्म कर रहे
gadgets
हो.
like
Hmm.
fan, cooler, AC,
Hmm.
refrigerator, they
Hmm.
can't run because of the electricity.
Hmm.
And you know, there is a, I think there are many inventors like Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Edison, Albert Einstein,
शाबाश.
etc.
Hmm.
And and uh, and electricity is a natural phenomenon, and
Hmm.
uh, and electricity is very important for us.
How?
And you
How?
know,
How? Focus करो. How?
yes,
हाँ.
sir. And you know, there is a problem of there is there is a problem of electricity in many villages,
Hmm.
uh, and there is a big problem of electricity in villages, and you know these electricity uh, can't go to the villages, and so government should be government should be implement the uh, electricity. And nowadays the summer is going on, so the electricity consumption is so increasing. And and you can see that there are many accident causes like AC AC outsider condenser is blast. And you know we should keep away from the electric switches while our hands are wet. And if we are watering the watering to the cooler into the cooler, so we should wear the rubber slippers.
Hmm.
uh, if we do not wear the rubber slippers, we can detect the current, and we maybe die. So we should apply these precautions, and we should aware also. And, so at last I want to say that electricity is very important, and use it in a limit, not in a large. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good. और अपनी सोच को थोड़ा सा वो करो और रेगुलर रहने की कोशिश करो बस अब है ना. बस बाकी और थोड़ा सा सुनना जरूर अपने रिकॉर्डिंग. आपके लिए जरूरी है कि आपके थॉट्स बिल्कुल क्लियर होने चाहिए ऑन पॉइंट टू पॉइंट. आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है बेटा ये बात है ना. सबके लिए जरूरी है पर आप थोड़ा सा और चीज़ों को इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करोगे बेटा है ना. वेरी गुड. अच्छा है. आज काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहा है आपका वैसे. कम ऑन अंजलि.
Yes, sir. So hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meenan. Today's topic is electricity. Electricity. So electricity is so important in our life because in summers, especially in Rajasthan, we can't live without electricity or without water. So water from without water, the motors take water from uh, motor and
हम्म.
AC, pankha, light, AC fan, and other things. So electricity is having its own area that local people can't go in that, and local people can't go in, and the electricians can only go there. And there are so many there are types of things that
आवाज रुक गई तेरी.
hello. Okay, sir. Electricity. So electricity is so important in our life, and without we can't live. Like without internet, without Wi-Fi, without light, without AC, without fans and other things that is necessary. And sometimes electricity used in like RO water to get us water from other place, and without electricity, electric cars can't work anymore. And the life become almost like older, not modern. Like older, and there will be no internet towers. Like there will be, but they will not work. And now that time, the thing that we order, that also can't be able to order anything. We have to go outside and take it. And after that, factories can't work. Factories can't work anymore. And if factories stopped, so our bed, our bags, our anything, or mobile teddy bears will teddy bears will not there. Like there was for a limited time, and the limited time is gone. And without it, we can't live. So, at last, I want to say, without electricity, can't live. हो गया सर?
हो गया तो ठीक है. That's it तो बोल.
तो फिर बोल दिया ना at last.
At last नहीं होता है. Last में बोला that's it.
That's it. Okay.
नहीं आज नहीं नहीं.
नहीं हो ना स्कूल से आके.
स्कूल से आके. ये हाल है इनका.
मैं सुबह भी नहाती हूँ और स्कूल से आके भी नहाती हूँ.
अच्छा. ओके.
गर्मी लगती है.
गर्मी लगती है तेरे को. Okay, very good. So now, Lakshmi, come on.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today, I am expressing my view on the topic of electricity.
Shabash.
As you know that electricity is very important because it is useful for everyone, because we can't work without electricity. And the uses of electricity in the factories and many others work, and without electricity we can't switch on any machine. And in the hospital, electricity is very important, because without electricity a doctor can't do operation. And nowadays, as you know that many modern devices is here, and it is very useful for everyone. And as you know that we all are live in India, in Rajasthan, and in the Rajasthan, human can make electricity. And in the west side of Rajasthan, the useful of solar plant, and with the use of solar plant we can make electricity. And as you know that the the Pratap Sagar dam, which is situated in Rautbata in Chittorgarh, that is biggest, and it is known to making electricity. And it is and in the future, the the Baswada is useful for making electricity. And without electricity we can't work, and we can't see, and many things are not useful without electricity. We can't live here because electricity is the soil of many big machines and many modern devices like AI, etc. And as you know that there are two type of electricity: conventional electricity and non-conventional
Conventional.
electricity. Conventional, yes sir. And we all know that conventional electricity is limited for us. And nowadays we are preparing non-conventional electricity. Due to it many buses and many other things are here. And many persons know that electricity is very important. So, and as you know that petroleum is limited, so our government starts electricities, bus and bikes and car and many other things. And to making electricity, it depend on us nowadays. And solar plant is useful in Rajasthan and Gujarat, because thus with the help of sunlight we can make electricity. And as you know that the uses of electricity in the Rajasthan a lot. And electricity is very important for developing our country. And we all depend on electricity because it help us in many ways. And due to electricity we can achieve good things, and we can develop due to electricity in Rajasthan. And and we can get good environment due to electricity, because the conventional energy is not useful for us. And we can save our conventional energy for future. And we should use non-conventional energy. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है. और थोड़ा सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे ध्यान दोगे ना. रिकॉर्डिंग सुननी है अपनी जरूर, तो बहुत सारी चीजें तो वैसे ठीक हो जाएंगी. यस, कम ऑन गौरव. गौरव.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is electricity. So, sir, एक बार को. Yes, sir. So, as you know that electricity is one of the most, one of the most precious or the most useful thing that a human being wants.
Hmm.
Because without it, the new generation can't live. About the new generations, because the old generation can, they can adjust, but the new generation, nah, they are not. But if you look closely, that why electricity is very important and its origin, you will be shocked.
Hmm.
So electricity is very old, more old than me and our combined ages.
Hmm. Hmm. Very good. Nice speaking, Shabash.
And it's so useful then, and it's more useful than all our students combined mobile phones.
Hmm.
Wait, mobile phones are more useful, but electricity is useful to run a mobile. Yes,
Hmm.
yes, yes.
Hmm.
Electricity is more useful.
Hmm.
But on which phone you are taking the class, on which internet you are taking the class, is all just it all needs electricity.
Hmm. Hmm.
Without electricity, you can't take this class. You can't watch any YouTube. You can't
Hmm.
even run a phone.
Hmm. Hmm.
Like if your phone discharges, you have no way to charge it except. But if you have power bank, then it's an another situation.
But your power bank will also need
Eye out.
electricity to be charged. Hmm. Yes. Hmm.
And how is electricity made? So there are many types of sources of electricity. One is coal refining. So humans take out coal and do something on it. I don't know, but they just use it and waste it for electricity. I don't know.
Hmm.
And then there are hydropower dams. These dams use water to make electricity. I think the one we saw that if we place a wheel in water, it will rotate and generate electricity for a bit.
Hmm.
I think that's the thing. And then there is steam engine. Then there is steam engines. Well, it's not electricity a bit, but it's nuclear power and other very very. So in this, you don't use water to stir the wheel
Hmm.
or rotate the wheel. You use steam.
Hmm.
So, like in the natural geysers and hot springs, the countries uh, who have these things use this
Which
to
have?
stir the wheel,
Yeah, that have. Hmm.
to stir that wheel to generate electricity, and then there are nuclear powered plants which use radiation and nuclear power to generate electricity, and it's much more powerful than all these. But it's very dangerous. One small mistake and a city is destroyed.
Hmm.
Like we should take the example of Chernobyl.
Hmm.
In 19 or something, there was a nuclear powered plant there, and it was in the city Chernobyl in Ukraine, or yes, Ukraine,
Hmm.
and it blasted, and the radiation was so harmful that Chernobyl is still inhabitable since this day.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good,
Till
Shabash. Hmm.
till this day. And now the safest and the most natural and the most environment friendly method, solar power. Here we use the power of the sun or any star to get electricity. We use solar panels to get the electricity and consume it, and it's the safest and the most harmless source of electricity, because it does not harm any nature,
Hmm.
and it can't harm us also until you just
Hmm.
place your hand on that pan like hot solar panel. That's another situation. It means that you are dumb if you did that. I'm sorry if somebody got hurt. But but it's the most harmless. If you compare it to that nuclear power one, it's definitely harmless. And also, uh, it's also good for environment because we are not wasting any coal or something, because our sun will die out in 5 billion years,
Hmm.
and it's a lot.
Hmm. Hmm.
And if it died out, we would have generated another source of or we would have invented or discovered a new source. But uh, it's 5 billion years. Our Earth is not even 5 billion years old. Means at that time we would have extended. We would extend.
Hmm.
So electricity is basically the lifeline of the new generation of human beings. That's the thing.
Very good. You are very nice speaking after a long time. Your performance is very nice. Keep it up, beta. Shabash. Come on, Kushi.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujar. I'm telling about electricity. You know very well, electricity play an important role in a in a in a in in every country,
Hmm.
and it is one of the greatest invention of modern science.
Hmm. Very good.
Uh, Thomas Edison invented electric bulb, and electricity electricity is electricity is used in a many field, in many ways. In school, electricity is used to run digital board, computers, and any project. And in hospitals, electricity is used for many machine.
शाबाश शाबाश, घबराए मत, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है. बस घबराए बिल्कुल मत, नेगेटिविटी बिल्कुल नहीं ला, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है, बोलती रहे.
You know very well, industries also need electricity
शाबाश,
to
बहुत बढ़िया.
run big machines and making products.
Hmm.
And electricity is very important uh, for running for rising any country.
Hmm.
And uh, there are there are there are many uh, there are many roofs. We can see a lot of solar plants
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है, वेरी गुड, बोलती रहे.
switch uh, for power, and solar plant helps us to uh, easy to get energy, and it is eco friendly.
Hmm.
And electricity is used uh, in a cultural agriculture field.
Hmm.
A lot of farmers used electricity in tube wells
घबराए मत
and
बिल्कुल भी. हाँ, फोकस करके रख.
agricultures,
थॉट्स पे और सेंटेंस फ्रेम में
etc.
फोकस करके रख बस. हाँ. Hmm.
And we can see there are we can see a lot of people waste electricity,
Hmm.
because if we waste electricity, so there are, because of electricity, there are For electricity, for getting electricity, uh, we waste a lot of water.
Hmm.
We waste a lot of water, and in a minerals in water waste.
Not west. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. जब बात बोलती रहे, बढ़िया बोल रही है, घबराएगी तो गड़बड़ कर देगी.
Yes, sir. Electricity is measured in unit
Hmm.
called
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया
kilowatts,
है. Very good यार बेटा.
and
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
we can get electricity in wires,
Hmm.
and electricity saves our times and humans' efforts,
Hmm.
and reduce humans' efforts,
बहुत बढ़िया. Very
and
good. Hmm.
with electricity we can study at night easily 2 days, and and electricity makes our life easy
Easy.
and easy,
Hmm.
and electricity is a form energy that makes any work uh, done easily.
आप बहुत बढ़िया. Very good.
Is
शाबाश.
done easily.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
We should never touch electricity, and we should save electricity for 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 future,
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. हाँ.
and electricity uh, electricity use for fun, and like TV, lights, digitals, uh, uh, any games, and we can with the help of electricity we can talk to people many far away
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good.
through
Very good.
mobile
शाबाश.
phones,
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है. Very good.
and without electricity life would be very difficult
Hmm.
today
Nowadays.
nowadays,
Hmm.
and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. घबराया मत कर. तू एक तो ऐसी शक्ल ऐसी मत बनाया कर तेरी. अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस होता है तो भी ऐसी शक्ल होती है. तेरी शक्ल ही ऐसी है क्या?
ऐसा समझ लो.
ए, अच्छी रखा कर इस शक्ल को थोड़ा सा, है ना. अच्छा बोल रही है, सब कुछ कर रही है. कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत अच्छा है. परफॉर्मेंस है बेटा तेरा. समझ में आ गई बात तेरे को? हाँ. इसको डाउन मत होने देना बिल्कुल भी. वेरी गुड. शाबाश. और आप B23 वाले भी अगर चाहें तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे बोल सकते हैं. कोई रोक नहीं है. समझ रहे हैं आप? अगर उनको लगता है कि भी हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे बोल सकते हैं तो दे कैन आल्सो स्पीक ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. क्लियर हो गई बात मेरी? यस. सो कम ऑन आर्यन.
My name is Arun Sundari. My name is Aryan and my today's topic is my state. My state name is Rajasthan and in the Rajasthan its capital is Jaipur.
आराम से तसल्ली से बिना घबराए फोकस करके.
In Rajasthan there are 33 जिले को क्या बोलते हैं?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स.
There are 33 districts.
फोकस करो बस थॉट पे. घबराना नहीं है.
The Rajasthan is the biggest state in the India.
शाबाश शाबाश, ऐसे फोकस करो बस, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी। हम्म
The the famous places are in Rajasthan are like Khatu Sham Ji,
हम्म
Salasar Ji,
हम्म
Jeen Mata, Hawa Mahal and Jal Mahal
हम्म
and etc.
ओके, आराम से फोकस करो बस, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी। फोकस का खेल है और कुछ भी नहीं है। फोकस करो थॉट्स पे, फोकस करो सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे बस।
Rajasthan is the very hottest state.
हम्म
In Rajasthan, there is also sort out of water.
हम्म शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर, सॉर्ट आउट नहीं, शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर।
Shortage.
हम्म फोकस करो राजस्थान पे। राजस्थान के तो रहने वाले हो तुम, राजस्थान में रहते हो, फोकस करो।
The Aravalli Hills stop the Thar Desert to expand.
हम्म
Thus, the neighbor states of Rajasthan like Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and
शाबाश, वेरी गुड वेरी
etc.
गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, बोलो। फोकस का खेल है बेटा, कुछ भी नहीं है, बस फोकस करो।
The Pakistan border is connected to the Rajasthan in Jaisalmer.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, फोकस करो बस, स्पीड आ जाएगी अपने आप। हम्म
The Thar Desert is very
हम्म
hottest in day and in night there is cold.
हम्म हम्म
In Rajasthan there is also not most cut off electricities
हम्म
because in Rajasthan there is uh, flowing winds and also by solar panels.
हम्म
Rajasthan gives spices and other other things to other states.
हम्म
Now the temperature is in Rajasthan about 50 or 55 degrees Celsius.
हम्म
But in Rajasthan there is petrol is like less prices.
हम्म
We in Rajasthan we want to like fan, coolers and AC
हम्म
in summer season.
In Rajasthan, there is multi-cropping
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। फोकस करो, फोकस कर रहे हो, बहुत
on
अच्छा हो रहा है। हाँ।
some places.
एट सम प्लेसेस। कोई बात नहीं, बाद में
And
सुनना रिकॉर्डिंग। हाँ, अभी नहीं कुछ करना, सुन लो बस, रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना, करेक्शन आ जाएंगे उसमें सारे। हम्म
in Rajasthan, there is Ganesh Mandir in Jaipur, which is popular.
हम्म हम्म हम्म
In Rajasthan, there are some states and also some some districts. There are the cars and roads are very hot and car will burn.
हम्म
The soil is very good in Rajasthan.
हम्म
Now the Haryana and Rajasthan meets. Now Haryana and Rajasthan's CM meets
हम्म
to water supplies from Haryana to Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, but there are some rich peoples and some poor peoples and also like middle class.
हम्म
The in Rajasthan there students come from other states to study
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ, कोशिश करो। हाँ।
and also some things come from other states to Rajasthan.
हम्म
And the bricks are made mostly in brick stones and etc. are made in
हम्म
Rajasthan.
हम्म
In Rajasthan, there are many trees. They there are some सूखने को क्या कहते हैं?
सूखने को ड्राई।
There are some trees to be dry by hot
हम्म हम्म
subject.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छा कोशिश किया है। ऐसे ही करते रहो बस। अब हो गए तुम्हारे एग्जाम कंप्लीट,
Sir, हो गए.
अब छुट्टी नहीं करना, और थोड़ी सी कोशिश करना पिछला कवर करने की, है ना। एक बार चालू करो, फिर मैं थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम देके कवर करवाऊंगा तुमको, ठीक है। ओके,
चलो
आदित्य
क्लास
B20।
कट कर
हाँ बेटा।
तो क्लास कट कर सकते हो
क्यों?
तो फोन पे बैटरी जाने की.
अच्छा ठीक है। आदित्य B20, कम ऑन।
Very good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग भाई, वेरी गुड इवनिंग, आजा।
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today's our topic is electricity. So first we I talk about what is electricity. So I think about me, electricity is a form of energy which is wrestling from the follow charge, primary electrons. I think about me, and I is one other who is the father of electricity. The father of electricity is the father of electricity was Michael Faraday, and he invented and is the first person who invented a electric generator, and I think some other father of electricity who are Benjamin Franklin and Tesla and L, mm, I think Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. These are these are other other father of electricity, and now a time we control
Now what I mean
so many.
nowadays.
So nowadays we control so many things with the help of electricity, but now we can use its electricity. No, but now we can use electricity in a form of stored energy. Uh, like I think I think it's nice. If you use any electric electric thing like any remote control thing and other and any toy other thing, so you always think that sorry, you always see that when you charge that remote control thing, so when you don't stop it uh, and use it only, uh, and you and then you give and then you do the do the low battery of that thing, so that is not store energy. Store energy means you play with that thing only 30 minutes. After then you after then you put it, and after that day you use it, so it is called stored energy. And but it is harmful for us because if you touch if you only you see, you can touch the only this size electricity, it is very harmful for your body, because when you when you when your brain know about that situation, then the circuit then the some circuits and the other other blocks and other things of brains are destroyed, because it is it gives short circuit of a brain, and we and we we lost our memory and other things we can't and and some people died with the help of with the with the help of electricity. But I think if we use it in a in nice in nice in a good in in good in good in nice, if we use it in a good nice, if we use it in good thing, like if you invent that thing which is useful in the future, so you with and that thing and that thing you made by electricity, so you can so you can make a scientist and other, and if you uh, and you make a natural electricity, so you can use solar energy, wind energy, and water energy, and these three sources nice to make a natural electricity. uh, I think wind energy and solar energy is good, because if we use it, so we can't get harm of other things, because uh, I think when we don't use these things, so then you can see that and in 2025 we saw that so many ACs blast in their houses, and I think it is the main and I think so much load of electricity is on its circuits and devices and other devices. So I think it is so the main source is, if you if electricity is useful, but but not but not that time when you use it for your for your own for your own used, like any child used any pen drive to you to restore any computer's data. So you can see that uh, they they don't they don't wear rubber uh, rubber gloves and other rubber things. So the electricity reached their the the human body circuits, and then they destroyed it. So I think so what rubber do with the electricity? They reflect it. That reflect it on that on oven on their oven things. I think, and they टकराने को क्या कहेंगे?
Hit.
They hit to each other, and then and then they again
Okay,
again
Vaishnavi.
then they again
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. हाँ.
then they again uh, yeah, then they again go in their in their route with and so that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोलते हो, थोड़ा सा और इम्प्रूव करो अपने आप को, है ना? रिकॉर्डिंग सुनते हो नहीं सुनते हो अपनी?
सुनता हूँ ना।
सच्ची बताना, झूठ मत बोलना बिल्कुल भी।
सर नहीं बोल रहा है यार, सबको क्यों लगता है मैं झूठ बोलता हूँ?
तो तू कभी कभी तेरे काम ही ऐसे होते हैं ना बेटा, कर्म तो लौट के आता ही है ना। सुना करो अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर, है ना, और थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग को थोड़ा सा ठीक करो, बाकी बहुत अच्छी है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। सबको लगता है तो क्यों लगता है, सोचना आज। सबको लगता है तो क्यों लगता है भैया, सोचना है तेरे को आज। ओके, यस, कम ऑन रौनक।
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I am a student of Ramban English and Teaching classes. Today I am speaking about my state. My state name is Rajasthan. It is very beautiful state. There are 41 districts in my state.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, आराम से फोकस करके।
It is the capital of the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Jaipur is known as Pink City.
शाबाश।
Jaipur, it was named Pink City by Stanley Reid. The another name of Rajasthan is Rajputana.
Very good.
Mr. Bhajanlal Sharma is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan. The area of Rajasthan is 3,42,239 kilometers square. It is very largest state in India.
The largest, not very. कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बस फोकस करके रखो, घबराना बिल्कुल नहीं है। नो नेगेटिविटी, फोकस करके रखो बस थॉट्स पे और सेंटेंस पे, फ्रेमिंग पे। बोलो बेटा।
Many languages are spoken
शाबाश।
like Marwari, Rajasthani, Mewati, Gundari, etc.
These are dialects. These are called dialects. बोलियां। कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, आगे बोलो, रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना, बहुत कुछ समझ में आएगा। हाँ।
There are many people in my state. The famous dance here is Jhumar. The largest river is Chambal of Rajasthan.
Very good.
Dal bati churma रसगुल्ला, क्या बोलते हैं, are famous dishes.
खाने के नाम में ताली बजा दी इसने। हाँ।
Women wear घाघरा and choli.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है, वेरी गुड। हाँ।
Men wear
हम्म
dhoti and kurta in Rajasthan.
हम्म
There are many temples in Rajasthan like Khatu Sham Ji, Birla Mandir, Govind Dev Ji, etc.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड।
It is famous for its historical forts and culture and tradition. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। याद थोड़ी किया था, वैसे ही बोला है ना खुद ने ही, याद कर करके, मतलब फोकस कर करके ना। बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। कम ऑन आरुषि।
Hello everyone, my name is Arushi Meena. I am student for Raman Interactive Classes. Today's my topic Rajasthan is the largest state in India
आराम से बेटा,
by
घबराना नहीं, आराम से तसल्ली से। हाँ बोल।
its capital city is Jaipur. Rajasthan is called the land of kings.
हाँ बेटा।
The state is famous for its beautiful forts, places, temples and gardens.
हाँ ठीक है, टाइम पे आना, जल्दी, ज्यादा लेट मत होना बेटा।
Third
ठीक है
desert
बेटा।
important cities include
हम्म
Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, etc.
शाबाश, आराम से तसल्ली से फोकस कर करके बेटा।
People of Rajasthan wear colorful traditional clothes and celebrate festivals such as Gangur, Teej and etc. The main language spoken are Hindi and Rajasthani.
शाबाश शाबाश।
Popular foods include dal bati, गट्टी की सब्जी,
गट्टे की
etc.
सब्जी। वेरी गुड, बोलो शाबाश बेटा, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी।
Rajasthan is also famous for camel rides, Ghumar and folk music. Many tourists from India and visit Rajasthan.
एंड क्यों लगा रही है? मैनी टूरिस्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया विजिट राजस्थान। हाँ
I love my state. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही थी, और थोड़ा सा बोलती चल, कोई बात नहीं है, कोशिश किया कर। वेरी गुड, ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलने की कोशिश किया कर, आलस मत किया कर बोलने में, समझ गई ना बेटा? हाँ, तभी खुलेगी धीरे धीरे। यस काजल। और अगर आप में से कोई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे नहीं बोल सकता तो राजस्थान पे बोल लेना। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे बोलना चाहे तो B23 वाले इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोल सकते हैं, यू आर फ्री। ओके, कम ऑन काजल। माइक चालू करो, माइक चालू करो।
Good evening, sir. My name is Kajal Verma. I study in Ramban classes. Today is my topic, my state. My state name is Rajasthan. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. And state life is comfortable.
आराम से बोलो, घबराओ मत।
Most of the state dwellers doctors, engineers, teachers, etc. There are many good and big schools, colleges,
हम्म,
universities
हम्म,
in my Rajasthan, in my state.
शाबाश शाबाश, फोकस कर, बस फोकस कर, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, कोई नेगेटिविटी नहीं आनी चाहिए, आराम से फोकस कर करके बोल, घबराए मत, गलत सही की चिंता मत करे, बोल बस।
In which are good teachers, lead teachers.
बोल बोल बोल, अभी तो बोल बोल। हम्म,
Uh, there are many big hospitals in my state
हम्म,
in which people's treatment.
people get treatment,
Huh?
in which people get treatment, फोकस कर, फोकस कम हो रहा है तेरा,
Sorry, sir.
फोकस कर बेटा, थोड़ा फोकस कर। हाँ, घबराए बिल्कुल मत, हड़बड़ाएगी तो खराब खराब हो जाएगा सारा मामला, हड़बड़ाए मत बिल्कुल भी।
There are many trees in my Rajasthan. Uh, there are many trees in my Rajasthan. Sorry, sir. एक minute. There are many trees in my state.
सीज
Trees are
सीज,
give oxygen
अच्छा ओके,
and we give carbon dioxide them.
फॉर देम। राजस्थान पे
There
आओ,
are
फोकस करो, राजस्थान पे आओ, राजस्थान में तो बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी जिनको आप बोल सकते हो, कहाँ ट्रीज और ये है वो है, नहीं, थोड़ा फोकस करो, अभी तुमने सुना नहीं रौनक ने कैसे बोला था, अभी फोकस करो थोड़ा चीजों के ऊपर, सुना करो दूसरों को, सुन रहे थे कि आप जब दूसरे लोग बोल रहे थे?
there are many languages speak like Hindi, English, Bengali, Tamil, etc. And the Pakistan border connects with Rajasthan.
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश, फोकस करो बस, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी होती है बेटा।
There are many big libraries in my state, like there are many forts in my Rajasthan,
हाँ, अब आयो थोड़ा सा चीजें, जरा फोकस करो जरा। हाँ,
like Amer Fort, Jagar Fort.
और
There are many etc. There are many museums in my Rajasthan. Albert Hall Museum, Jantar Mantar, etc. There are 60 districts in my Rajasthan. People, different religions, people live in my Rajasthan. are celebrated in my Rajasthan,
हम्म
like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, etc.
हम्म
All people remain together in my Rajasthan.
इनमें राजस्थान मत बोलो बार बार, हेयर आप यूज कर सकते हो यहाँ पर, हेयर।
ठीक है
हम्म
सर। My- There are many water resources in my Rajasthan, like Chambal Nadi, Sambhar Jheel,
हम्म
Pichola Jheel,
हम्म
etc. There are many mineral resources in my Rajasthan, like copper, sulfur, marble. My Rajasthan is very beautiful. It is big. There are many vehicles in my Rajasthan.
ऐसे सेंटेंस नहीं बोलने चाहिए, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस नहीं बोले जाते हैं, और बहुत कुछ है राजस्थान के बारे में बोलने को बेटा, बोल। हाँ थॉट्स आने चाहिए। हम्म
I am proud of my Rajasthan. That's it.
कोई बात नहीं, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा। जब दूसरे लोग बोल रहे थे तो सुन रहे थे क्या आप?
हाँ
वेरी गुड, कोई बात नहीं है, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है। लिखा है आपने राजस्थान के बारे में?
हाँ
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, सुनना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग एक बार जरूर, है ना? ऐसी कोशिश करो बस, शाबाश, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बेटा। यस कल्पना,
यस सर।
कहाँ है? कैमरा चालू कर ले पहले तो तेरा।
सर चालू ही है।
दिख ही नहीं रही मेरे को, सो रही है क्या?
लो सर।
हाँ दिख मेरे को अच्छे से, हाँ अब बोल।
Today my topic is electricity. Electricity is very useful in our life.
हम्म
There are two types of electricity:
हम्म
static electricity and current electricity.
हम्म
It travels through wires to our homes and schools.
अच्छे से दिख मेरे को, अच्छे से दिख मेरे को, मोबाइल को ढंग से सेट कर और सामने देख मेरी तरफ, नजरें नीची नहीं, सामने देखो। हाँ बोलो। हम्म
Electricity is generated with the help of the sun, wind, and water, and even coal. We use switch to turn electricity on and off.
हम्म
We should always carefully around the around electricity.
हम्म
Electricity is the big part of our lives and helps us do many daily times, many things. Electricity is the mostly generated in the place could power station. We we should not waste electricity. That's it, sir.
याद किया था क्या इतनी देर में? अरे अरे याद कर रही थी क्या इतनी देर से बैठ के?
No, sir.
मेरे को तो ऐसा ही लगा तेरे बोलने में भाई, तू याद कर रही थी बैठ के इसको।
सर मेरे
हाँ
को भी लग रहा था।
तू चुप रह, चुप रह, चुप रह बिल्कुल। बेटा मेरे को तो ऐसे ही लगा, तेरी लैंग्वेज तो नजर नहीं आई मेरे को इसमें कुछ भी। अगर ऐसा किया है तो गलत किया है तूने, अब मत करना कभी भी, ठीक है ना बेटा? तेरी मुझे लैंग्वेज नजर ही नहीं आई इसमें बेटा, ध्यान रखना, आगे से नहीं करना कभी भी ऐसा बेटा। हमको सब पता चल जाता है, दो शब्द बोलते हो तो पता चल जाता है हमारे को। ये ऐसी चीज कभी नहीं करना बेटा, ठीक है ना? अपना कोशिश करो बस। कम ऑन खुशी, B23 फ्रॉम बादीकुई।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic is my state. My state is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India.
वेरी गुड।
Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the famous city in Rajasthan
शाबाश, ऐसे बोल, ध्यान से फोकस कर करके बोल बेटा। हाँ
because there are so many places in it. Rajasthan has many beautiful forests. There are
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। काजल सुनो
there
ध्यान से, अब सुनने का टाइम है, बोलो।
there are so many places in Rajasthan. Rajasthan has hospitals, schools, etc. There are all caste people live here.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। मुनमुन खेल रही है वहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा लेट आएगी।
We celebrate all
तुम्हारा फोन गया था,
festivals
फोन करना, वो फोन चार्जर पे लगा हुआ उसका।
there. Here. It has also many old places.
पैलेसेस, महल के लिए बोल रहे हो ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ पैलेसेस, हाँ बोलो।
Ghumar is a famous dance. Dal bati churma is a famous dish. Rajasthan is rich in history.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड। ऐसे बहुत अच्छा, ये हमें पता चलता है लैंग्वेज किसकी है। हाँ पता चल जाता है हमें, हमने भी कोई ऐसी थोड़ी दुनिया देखी थोड़ी बहुत तो। हाँ
So many people does government jobs. Do government jobs. And some people do farmers.
आर फार्मर्स, डू फार्मिंग बोलो फिर, कोई
Are
बात नहीं, बोलो
farmers.
बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत, बोलो।
Women are also strong women are also do government jobs,
हम्म हम्म
and some women's
वुमेन्स नहीं, विमेन प्लूरल फॉर्म में.
women's
हम्म
house
आर
are
होम मेकर.
homemaker. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. और कोशिश करते, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. अच्छे से ऐसे कोशिश करो, बस अपने आप खुल जाओगे धीरे धीरे, है ना. हाँ, यस, कम ऑन सिमरन.
Yes, sir. Hey, everyone. My name is Simran, and today I'm telling about electricity and what's the uses of electricity. You know as well, electricity is important for all, and especially in this era. And without electricity, uh, we can't survive because
शाबाश.
now these days
Nowadays,
nowadays electricity is a tonic for humans, because humans can't live without any electric matlab I mean without any device, because this is the AI. AI nahi, it is AI AI sir,
era.
era. And do you know we can do many things with through electricity. And uh, and you know electricity by electricity we can charge many electric device. And you know there are a lot of device, and even my phone, you know when I start when I start this class, when I सर तब से क्या बोलेंगे? Since then I getting my phone charge, and it is but it is 18% something. So without electricity, any device, any electric device become becomes die, because it is because electricity is a soul of them. And I searched something on Google. You know who is the father of? Do you know who is the father of electricity? The father of electricity is what's the name? Louis. I think. Sorry, sir, I forget.
Okay, missing. You are missing. Okay, no problem.
Okay, and do you know who is which company is inventor of electricity in India? Its name is CBSC. I mean, its full form is
cultural electricity supply corporation because it was the first company, and it generate and distribute uh, electricity in all in India. And do you know electricity electricity
Do you know के बजाय you know बोला करो.
electricity uh, moves another place by wire, and uh, uh, it is like water water flowing, because uh, water flowing moving another place through pipeline, but it is uh, traveling, I mean uh, it is moving through wire, and uh, it is invisible thing, and um, I think electricity, two type of electricity, and whatever moving in wire. First, DC and AC. DC means direct current, and I think it is only used usually battery बैटरिकल डिवाइस। सर जिसमें बैटरी होती है उस डिवाइस को
Devices having battery.
devices having battery like laptop, smartphone, and other things, and AC मतलब alternative current, and it is moving. It is moving. It is moving along. It is moving. I think in wire, and for long distance, like highway. We can see it is on. It is highway lights. I mean highway wires, and and uh, electricity makes by many 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 things, like it is makes by
It is made.
made by water and सर कोयले को बोलेंगे
Coal.
black coal, and solar power, and air fans, but
you know, in Rajasthan, there are many chances of uh, high electric, many chances of uh, solar elect solar electricity,
Hmm.
because in western Rajasthan there are a big desert, and uh, and you know, uh, there are a lot of, not a lot of, there are some places where some places uh, the government can, the government can develop, the government can develop some plans, some योजना, सर योजना क्या
प्लान
बोले,
सही बोल रहे हो आप।
some plans, and by electricity, by electricity, human um, um, हाँ, by electricity we can change the temperature, and by it uh, we can we can we can be, बना सकते सर, we can become,
We can make
uh, our room cool and hot, and like maybe like some devices, through it, through them, like heater and AC, and you know, electricity, uh, without electricity, we can, without electricity we can't thought
think.
living, we can think living on the earth, and you know, we can make in uh, in my school time, uh, I try to made electricity through uh, plastic pen.
Hmm.
You know uh, how it, first of all, I and my friend do it,
Did it pasta बोल रहे हो ना?
did it, uh, we take a pen, and it moving on dry hair, and we thought we can become a engineer, electric engineer, because we invited sir Khoj invited electric
Invented.
invent electricity, so we can become, but it's not easy, and you know, you are now, I'm not, uh, you are now a child, and some students, and if you want to become electrician, and any other any other servant, when you can do some experiment,
Hmm.
but secure, but um, safe. Please do them safely because they become sometime harmful. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते हो, आजकल डर तो बिल्कुल निकल गया तुम्हारा। सुना सुना करो, अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग है ना जरूर। बहुत अच्छी बात है, वेरी गुड। यस, कम ऑन अन्ना।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today I am telling about a most important thing in our life. It's electricity. As you know, you cannot imagine your life without electricity. They are not fans, they are not ACs, even coolers also.
क्या आवाज बेटा?
Not TVs. Just imagine that you have phone, but you don't have the electricity to charge it, so it is also useless. And you have not network for scrolling reels, playing games, or etc. Um, as you know, how much नहीं सर, सुविधा को क्या कहते हैं?
फैसिलिटी।
How
विवान
much
सुनो जरा, ये भी 5वीं क्लास में पढ़ती है ये लड़की, और ये मेरे पास जब आई थी, जब शायद 3री क्लास में या 4थी क्लास में थी। सुनो थोड़ा सा ध्यान से जरा।
I
हाँ,
how डिस्टर्ब होता है. How much facilities we get, how much we सर बिगड़ते जाने को क्या कहते हैं?
हाउ मच नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर। द मोर फैसिलिटीज वी आर यूजिंग, द मोर वी आर destroying ourselves.
How much we are using, the more we are destroying ourselves. As you know, that you imagine, you are living on an island. There is no internet, no any signal, no any mobile phone or other electricity devices. And you are also not living in this houses because we also want electricity to make the. You are living on a simple island where lots of animals are there. Not RO is there also. Not RO is also there. So you can imagine your life. But in our past time, there are no facilities like this only. But how they can, because they are not getting the facilities how
वर पास्ट टेंस है तो फिर पास्ट वर्ब को यूज किया करो। हाँ,
yes sir, we're getting the facilities how we are, and we are really misusing that. Like sometimes you think that you are sitting in a room, you are only there, lights, fan, AC, all things are on. Then you go in another room, but you don't switch off the light, fan, ACs. It is very bad thing. So I say now, how much facilities we get, how much we are spoiled. Like in today's life, everyone has their own mobile, at least own mobile. It is from own mobile, so they can communicate to other person. And in the past time only we can go with, and in past could go with sir पैदल पैदल को क्या कहते हैं?
on foot with मत लगाओ, we could go on foot.
On foot only, here to there, there to here. And there are also not sleepers, cars, anything is not there.
Were
So
not
that
there.
were not there, sorry sir. So last में एक चीज बोलनी है.
बोल।
So at last I want to say that please use the electricity uh, mm, in the right way. And sir, I want to say one thing also. If you go on the expressway, you see some solar panels there. As you know, I like it because how electricity the government is using, they are also paying that with solar panels. So that's it.
Shabash, very good. वेरी गुड। ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे मेरे लिए तो मोटिवेशन है। तो बिकॉज इसका हो गया, अंजलि का हो गया, ये सबसे छोटे बच्चे हैं मेरे पास में, तो इनको शायद साल भर 1.5 साल हो गया मेरे पास में, लेकिन इनका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत शानदार है। सो मोटिवेशन मेरे लिए तो मोटिवेशन है, आपके लिए तो मुझे पता नहीं आपको होना चाहिए मोटिवेटेड या नहीं होना चाहिए। यस कम ऑन आदित्य फ्रॉम B23। बस 2 जने हो रहे हैं, बस खत्म होने वाली है 5-7 मिनट में क्लास। यस कम ऑन।
सर मेरा नंबर भी
पहले तुम्हारा है, रुक जाओ आदित्य 2 मिनट। कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am expressing my views on the topic electricity. So, as you know that what is electricity?
Rakshit
It
is the
is
oldest student right now.
so
Yes, I
yes,
think
sir.
he is. It has been 4 years or more than 4 years. I think 5 years to be here with me. Yes, come on, Rakshit, carry on.
Yes, sir. So, as we know that what is electricity? There is a term that is electric charge. So, when many electric charges flow together, so they make electric current that we know as electricity. So, the fundamental unit of electric current, or you can say electricity, is ampere. And the father of electricity is Michael Faraday, which was a great scientist because he also discovered the negatively charged particle that was known as cathode rays before and now known as electrons. And we know that in today's time, what is the value of electricity? It is great. Like we know that it is the era of a modern time, and we know that we are using many appliances, many devices, and to run the devices we need to give the appliances with we need to give a power or energy to the appliances, and the energy is electricity. Like we use fans, coolers, ACs, mobiles, laptops, TVs, washing machines, etc. So to charge them or to make them run, we use electricity. And so by this you can know that what is the importance or significance of electricity in this time. Like and we know that there are two types of current. First is or you can say two types of electricity. The first is AC current, which is alternating current, and second is direct current, which is DC current. And in the houses, we use AC current because it is more useful than the DC current because of many reasons. And we know that electricity is made by many. Electricity is made by many methods in today's time. Before, in the old time, there were only few methods to make electricity. But now, as we are developing, means we the humans are developing, we have found many ways to make electricity. Some ways are some ways are eco-friendly and some are not. Like before, electricity was made from water and coal. That was not eco-friendly because we used to use coals and water to make electricity, and by this water was used in a large amount that and we know that in this world fresh water fresh water is very little compared to the salty water. So it is our responsibility to use the fresh water in a proper way. And we also know that coal is a fossil fuel that is also limited in nature and also very important for the civilizations. So for all humans, so we should also save them. And so by thinking this, that we should save these things, humans have found found more ways to produce electricity that are solar energy and wind energy. By using wind turbines, humans can make energy from wind, and by using solar panels, humans can make energy from the solar energy, means
Very good.
from sunlight
Hmm.
or ultraviolet radiations. So this is a good thing because we know that solar energy and wind energy is unlimited on this planet, and and we can use as much as we can. So as per my view, we should make more electricity from solar energy and wind energy than from coal or water. At last, I want to say that electricity is the city in which we can't go, but it is very important in present time. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabaz beta, bahut badhiya. Electricity is a city where we can't go, but it is very important. Very good. Come on, Aditya.
Yes, sir. My name is Aditya, reading class 7. My topic is my state. My state name is Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a beautiful and big state. There are many temples in my state, like Khatu Sham Ji, Vaishno Devi, Kailash Parvat.
In Rajasthan, Kailash
Yes, sir.
Parvat is in
Sorry.
Rajasthan. Hmm. Hmm.
Kedarnath Mandir,
अच्छा चल बोल अभी तो तू.
Khatu Sham Ji, etc.
Hmm.
There are many festivals. There are many festivals. Celebrate like Holi, Dashera, Diwali, etc.
Hmm.
There are many places in my city, like Jal Mahal, Amer Kila, Ranthambore, etc. सर रोड को क्या बोलते हैं?
रोड ही इंग्लिश का ही शब्द है.
There are the road of the city are very clean. There are many big malls in my state, like GT, etc. There are many schools, school, college, hospitals, library, etc. That's it, sir.
ओके कोई बात नहीं कोशिश किया करो बस. Come on, Pinky.
Yes, sir. Radhe Radhe, all of you. Today I want to
Member
talk.
of speaking. Yes, come on.
Radhe Radhe, all of you. Today I want to talk about my beautiful Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest of India. There are many religions in there are many religions live together in Rajasthan, and there are many there are many states like Amer, Jagat, and sorry, uh,
Many forts, many palaces. फोकस करो थोड़ा बोलने पे क्या बोल रहे हो
state
जान दो. हाँ स्टेट तो राज्य
like
होता है. हाँ राजस्थान तो खुद एक राज्य है. हाँ बोलो.
okay, sorry. There are many places like Udaipur and Bharatpur, Gurgaon, and Karoli, and Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, etc. And there are many people visit in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan is very beautiful place, and all people some and Rajasthan is people live in simple, and they put on simple clothes like a woman puts on ghagra choli, and man puts on dhoti kurta and pant shirt and kurte pajame, etc. And Rajasthan is favorite food dal bati, gatte ki sabji, sangri, छाछ राबड़ी, and lasan ki chutney, etc. And there are many there are many visiting place like Jantar Mantar, Jaisalmer, and Ranthambore, and Govind Dev Ji Temple, Gopinath Ji, etc. And there are many big temple in Rajasthan like Kela Devi Mandir, and Khatu Sham Ji, Salasar Balaji, and Ranthambore, etc. And there are many hill in Rajasthan, and there are many river in Rajasthan, and and there are many big hospitals in Rajasthan. There are many facilities in Rajasthan like big roads and vehicles and hospitals, schools, college, etc. And there are and village life is very simple, and farmers live in mud houses. Uh, that's it, sir.
अरे बढ़िया, तेरे को तो अंग्रेजी बोलने आ गई छोरी, हैं? वेरी गुड।
अरे क्या कुछ, जब भी घबराहट होती है यार मेरे को यार।
हो जाएगी, अब कोई घबराहट नहीं है, अब तेरे दिमाग में से बहम निकाल। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।